Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to our tutorial on easy circle drawing for beginners. In this step-by-step guide, we will help you master the art of drawing perfect circles with a pencil. Gather your material. Make sure you have a clean sheet of paper, a sharp pencil, and an eraser. Start by marking a small dot in the center of where you want your circle to be. This will be your guide. If you have a compass, adjust it to your desired radius and place the pointed end on the center dot. Slowly rotate the pencil around the center, keeping the compass steady. If you are drawing freehand, hold your pencil lightly and start from the top of the circle, moving your hand in a smooth direction or motion to create a rounded shape. Don't worry about perfection because practice makes progress. Once you have the basic shape, go around the outline again to make it smoother. Use your eraser to clean up any rough edges. To give your circle depth, you can lightly shade one side. This adds dimension and make your circle look more three-dimensional. And there you have it. With a little practice, you will be able to draw perfect circle with ease. Keep practicing and soon you will feel more confident in your drawing skills. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and also press the bell icon. Happy drawing!